China, with its strong development in the field of technology, has been constantly researching and applying advanced technologies in many fields, including money printing. 3D money printing technology is one of the typical examples of this progress. In 2018, the People's Bank of China, PBOC, announced that it had successfully used 3D printing technology to produce banknotes. This is of great significance in enhancing security and anti-counterfeiting, as banknotes printed with this technology can have higher security features, making it more difficult for criminals. China's 3D money printing technology does not only stop at improving security, but also creates great potential for the development of the country's printing industry. The application of this technology also opens up opportunities for exporting money printing technology to other countries. However, the application of 3D money printing technology also poses many challenges in terms of ensuring information security and preventing the abuse of this technology by criminals. Therefore, strict management and control are essential to ensure that this technology is used safely and effectively. That is the story of China's 3D money printing technology, a clear example of the integration of advanced technology into a traditional but extremely important area of the national economy. Somewhere in China, magicians have used some toy rolling machine tools and created clips to turn white paper into real money through the rolling machine tool. In this case, it is very funny and the rolling machine tool plays a role no different from a magic 3D printer. It can turn a white sheet of paper into a bill with a face value of 100 or 200 United States dollars. It looks very strange, but in fact it is very simple. From there, we can see that from the manufacture of modern machines to print currency, China also has funny magicians and magicians who can use toy tools to turn paper into cash. From this video, we can understand more about 3D printing. The process of producing real bills with many different denominations will require the use of many types of modern printing machines. And the magic process to make people feel that money is created is extremely simple, helping us to think more lightly about money and not be pressured and not let money control us. If you find this video interesting and meaningful, please subscribe to the channel to support me to have the motivation to produce many new videos. Thank you.